Welcome to Come Knit With Me. I am working on a mitten and I wanted to show you how I use the KrisKrafter Garter bar. I'm using it as a transfer tool. Okay, I'm lining up these slots with the needle, and then I'm just going to push them slowly forward. What this does, this is going to open up my latches. Okay, so now I'm bringing the transfer tool garter bar forward so it's resting in the tips of the needles, and now I am pulling the work off the needles onto the garter bar. Excuse my hand, it's just supporting the needles, the stitches, so that they stay on the bar. See, now they're all transferred onto the garter bar. Now I'm gonna hold it in the middle, and that'll keep it nice and level, because I'm gonna transfer every other stitch. Now you can push it from the top over like that. And one thing you want to remember, because see how it moves? You don't want it to move. So you need to come up with something to hold it in place. And I like using, I have a couple pieces of wood that I use, and that holds it quite nicely. It kind of locks it in place if I get it lined up right. Get your yarn out of the way so it doesn't cause you any issues. And I'm supporting it up against the needle nubs, and then I'm just going to push that down, and that holds these needles solid. So I'm holding it in the middle, lifting it up, sliding over one, and setting them back down. Now you can slide it from underneath and push off. You can take your single transfer tool and push it off. You can tip it a little bit and push it off. Whichever way is more convenient for you. I like going from underneath, because then I can see what I'm doing, and I make sure I only slide over the stitches I need slid over. And it works fairly quick. I'm doing a knit two together all the way across, and it works very easy as a transfer tool. Now I've got, 38 stitches that I'm reducing down by half. And where I'm holding it is in the center of the stitches. So like, see, I've got just 6 stitches here, so I'm holding it in the center of the stitches. So my hand slides down, so I'm always holding the center of the stitches that are on the garter bar. Okay, and there's my reduced. Fairly quickly done, very efficient. One thing you have to remember about the garter bar, it is exactly 8 millimeters apart, so if your needles are a little bent, you'll have issues getting it on. Okay, and that is how I use the garter bar as a decrease tool. Thank you for watching, and more to come.